Hello and welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss about paying a loan before it is due. This is also called Rule of 78. Sometimes we pay off the loan early in order to save interest. If a loan is paid before it is due, then some of the interest may be refunded. Or we may say we get an interest rebate or finance charge rebate. The interest refund is found using sum of digit method or Rule of 78. When we pay off a loan, the repayments consist of two parts, the principal and the interest charge. The Rule of 78 is based on the assumption that lenders earn more interest in early months of a loan than in the later months. So the Rule of 78 weights earlier payments with more interest than later ones. This method of allocating interest in loans is used for consumer goods such as automobiles. The US government has outlawed the use of the Rule of 78 for loans longer than 5 years because it weights the earlier payments with more interest than a simple interest method, and paying off a loan early will result in borrower paying more interest overall in a long-term loan. So Rule of 78 is a method of allocating the interest charge on a loan across its payment periods. Under Rule of 78, periods are weighted by comparing their numerical values to the sum of all the digits of the periods. The weights are applied in reverse, applying large weights to early periods. Let us see how to calculate interest refund when a loan is paid early using Rule of 78. When using this method, the finance charge or interest assumed to be divided in parts equal to the sum of digits of the loan. The sum of digits of a 12-month loan is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and so on plus 12, which is equal to 78. So it is known as Rule of 78. If the loan is paid before it is due, then some of the interest may be refunded. That is, we may get a rebate if we pay off the loan early. This rebate is on interest charged. If we pay off early, then we get a rebate or refund on the interest for the remaining period. For this, a procedure is followed. we calculate refund fraction or rebate fraction using rule of 78. In this fraction, the numerator is the sum of the digits for number of payments remaining. The denominator is the sum of digits for total number of payments. That implies rebate fraction is equal to sum of digits for number of payments remaining upon sum of digits for total number of payments. The next step is to find the interest rebate using the formula. Interest rebate is equal to total interest or total finance charge into the rebate fraction. So now we can calculate loan payoff using the following formula. Loan payoff is equal to number of payments remaining into monthly payment amount minus interest rebate. Now let us understand all these formulas with the help of an example. Suppose you have a loan for 12 months at a total interest of $150 and monthly payment of $375, and you want to know how much interest you will save or how much interest will be refunded by prepaying after 6 months. Also calculate the loan payoff. In this question, the number of payments already made are 6. Total number of payments are 12. So, payments remaining are 12 minus 6, which is equal to 6. So rebate fraction is equal to sum of digits for number of payments remaining, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 upon sum of digits for total number of payments, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus 12. This is equal to 21 upon 78. So now interest rebate is equal to total interest into refund fraction so that is $150 into 21 upon 78, which will be equal to $40.38 interest rebate. Now let us calculate loan payoff. As we know, loan payoff is equal to number of payments remaining into monthly payment amount minus interest rebate. So here loan payoff will be equal to number of payments remaining, that is 6, into monthly payment amount, that is $375, minus the interest rebate, that is $40.38. This is equal to $2,250 minus $40.38, which is equal to $2,209.62. So loan payoff is equal to $2,209.62. Also note that if number of months is very large, say 40 months, that is n is equal to 40, then we use the following formula to find the sum of n digits. When n is large, which is equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2. So for n equal to 40, sum of numbers is equal to 40 into 40 plus 1 upon 2, which is equal to 40 into 41 upon 2, which is equal to 20 into 41, which is equal to 820. So in this session, we discussed about interest rebate and loan payoff. This completes our session. Hope you enjoyed this session.